Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. How is going your studies? I hope you all are studying well. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. The previous class we have studied seen that let us revise, yes? Yes or no, ma? Yes, okay. In this class, we will study some fill in the blanks, okay, for this first lesson. For the first lesson, today we have to write some fill in the blanks. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. Now all of you take your maths classwork note. With your stationery things, pencil, razor, sharpener. All of you have you taken, children? Is that no? Yes, okay. Now we will study some fill in the blanks. Now all of you open your maths classwork note. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. All of you take your maths classwork note. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Shall we write? All of you see the board and write with me. Okay, Mama? All of you see the board and write with me. Write neatly. I want good handwriting. Okay, take new page. This one 11th one heading. Okay, fill in the blanks. FILL fill, IN in, THED, BLANK S. Fill in the blanks. Take new page and write neatly. The first one, THED, SMALLEST, smallest, FOUR, for, DIGIT, digit. The smallest 4 digit NUM BER. Number is, the smallest 4-digit number is dash. What will come? The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Isma, the smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Yes, ma. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And the greatest. Okay. Shall we see the greatest digit numbers? The greatest 1-digit number is, the greatest 1-digit number is 9. Yes or no, ma? The greatest 1-digit number is 9. Then the greatest 2-digit number is 10. The greatest 2-digit number is 10. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. Yes or no, ma? Yes. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Yes or no, ma? The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Now, the first fill in the blanks is, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Okay. Then the second one. Then the second one. Children, are you listening? Second one, THED face, VALUE value. The face value OF of a DIGIT digit. A face value of a digit is the value of VALUE value of the face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, of the digit, DIGIT digit, ITSELF itself. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. The third one, if Z, E or O, 0, okay. If 0 is one of the digits, is ONE 1, OF of, THED, DI, GI, TS digits. If 0 is one of the digits, while forming the smallest number. While forming the smallest number. WHILE, while. FO or MING, while forming the smallest number. SMALLEST, smallest. NUM, number. NUMBER, number. If 0 is one of the digits, while forming the smallest number, it is written in the second highest place. It is written in the second highest place. If 0 is one of the digits, while forming the smallest number, it is written in the, it is WRITTEN, written. It is written in the second highest place. SECOND, second. HIGHEST, highest. PLACE, place. If 0 is one of the digits, while forming the smallest number, it is written in the second highest place. It is written in the second highest place. Already we have studied this one, yes ma, for making numbers from the given digit. Yes, already we have studied this one for making numbers from the given digit. Fourth one, WHEN, when. TWO, 2. NUMBERS, numbers, when two numbers are equal, A or E, or EQUAL, equal. When two numbers are equal, we use equal to sign. Sign means symbol. Okay. The two numbers are equal, we use equal to sign. Yes or no ma? The first side The first side digit is the greatest numbers, means we have to use greater than symbol. The right side number is the greatest numbers, means we have to use less than symbol. When two numbers are equal, means we can use equal to symbol. Then the fifth one, NUMBERS, numbers. CAN, can. BEB, ARRANGED, arranged. Numbers can be arranged in ASCENDING, ascending, AND and DECENDING, descending, ORDERS. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers big to small. Yes or no, ma? Yes, okay. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending orders. Now all of you open your maths class work note. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Take new page and write neatly. I want good handwriting. See the board and write neatly, ma. Don't see here and there. See the board and write neatly. Fill in the blanks. FILL, fill. IN, in. THED, BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Leave one finger space and start to write the first one. All of you take new page and write. Okay, mama? Write neatly without any one mistake. I will check your note. So all of you write neatly. The first one, THED, SMALLEST, smallest. FOUR4, DIGIT, digit. NUMBER, number. IS is 1000, 1000. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Second one, THED, FACE, face. VALUE, value. OF, of. DIGIT, digit. IS is THED. VALUE, value. OF of THED DIGIT digit ITSELF itself. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. Is that no ma? Yes. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. Face value means they are given some underlined digit number. You have to take and write the number. Place value means the place value of a digit is the value we get when we are multiply the digits, but it place. The place value of a digit changes according to its place, but face value is not changed, that the same number will come. The third one, IF if ZERO 0 IS is ONE1 OF of THED DIGITS digits WHILE while FO or MING forming THED SMALLEST smallest NUMBER number IT it IS is WRITTEN written IN in THED SECOND second HIGHEST highest PLACE place. If 0 is one of the digits while forming the smallest number, it is written in the second highest place. Then fourth one, WHEN when TWO2 NUMBERS numbers A or E or EQUAL equal WEV USEUs equal to SIGN sign. When two numbers are equal, we use equal to sign. Okay, Mama? The fifth one, NUMBERS numbers CAN BEB, numbers can be arranged, 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 IN in, AS, AS, CENDING, ascending, AND and DES, CEN, DING, descending, OR, DEORS, orders. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending orders. All of you have written, children? All of you have written, children? I hope you have completed the class work. Now all of you take your maths homework note. 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 Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. All of you have you taken, ma? Take new page and mention today's day and date. Write fill in the blanks. FILLIN in THED BLANKS blanks. Fill in the blanks. This is today homework, okay? Take your maths homework note and write this one. Fill in the blanks. The GREATEST, greatest. The greatest, THREE, 3, DIGIT, digit. The greatest 3 digit, NUMBER, number, IS is. The greatest 3 digit number is dash. The greatest 3 digit number is dash. THERE, there, ARE, or. There are dash ways. There are dash ways to write the expanded form. To write, W-R-I-T-E, write, T-H-E-D, E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D, expanded, F-O-R-M, form. There are dash ways to write the expanded form. Then third one, T-H-E-D-N-U-M-B-E-R, number, W-H-I-C-H, which, C-O-M-E-S, comes. Just, J-U-S-T, just, A-F-T-E-R, after the number which comes just after a G-I-V-E-N, given, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, the number which comes just after a given number is C-A-L-L-E-D, called I-T-S, it's dash. The number which comes just after a given number is called its dash. The fourth one, 6,843, 9,000. Fifth one, W-E-B-C-A-N, can, O-B-T-A-I-N, obtain. We can obtain the predecessor, P-R-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R, predecessor. We can obtain the predecessor of a given number, G-I-V-E-N, given, N-U-M-B-E-R, given number, by one, F-R-O-M, from it. We can obtain the predecessor of a given number by dash 1 from it. We can obtain the predecessor of a given number by dash 1 from it. See the board and write FASMA. This is today homework. Fill in the blanks. The first one, the greatest 3-digit number is dash. Second one, there are dash ways to write the expanded form. Third one, the number which comes just after a given number is called its dash. Fourth one, we have to fill greater than, less than, or equal to. Fourth one, 6843, 9000, which is greater, you find and use the symbol to write. Fifth one, we can obtain the predecessor of a given number by dash 1 from it. This is today homework. All of you do yourself. Study well. We will see the next class. Take care. Bye.